السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد وعلى آل سيدنا محمد وبارك وسلم. Welcome to Usman Nizami channel. In this video, we are going to learn one king, the great king. The great king name is King Vikram. King Vikram was a wisdom and justify king and very intelligent king. So in his period, how was the King Vikram wisdom was there, and how did he how did he justify? So in this small moral story, so in the world there are many people, they are wisdom. This is the quality of how do you think. So you should think brilliantly as many kings they thought. So in this story, one nice and good lesson is there. Let's begin. Let's start that story. So in this story in those old days, so there was a very just king, great king, King Vikram. King Vikram was there, and he has the wisdom. And in his court, in his palace, one case came. What is this case? Two women came, and they have one baby. One woman name is Sita and another woman name is Lita. They both brought to near the king, and they explained that one Sita was telling that, "Oh great king, this is my baby. I was taking the bath. So this woman came and took away my baby." Now Lita told that, "Oh great king, no. She is telling lie. This is my baby." So these two, both of them, they are demanding and they are telling that this is my baby. So all the people, those who are present in that palace, they were watching how the king will justify, what the king will tell. That great King Vikram, he ordered his people and said to him that, "Go and bring a sword." So the officers went and they brought the one sword. Now King Vikram ordered the officers, so cut this baby in two parts, in two pieces, and distribute them, half piece to Sita and another half piece to Lita. So all the present people, by ordering this king's order, they were shocked, they were surprised. What is going on? So now the Sita, who was really that baby's mother, the Sita fell at the feet of the king, and she was crying and said that, "Oh great king, please don't cut my baby. Don't cut my baby. In place of cutting my baby, please give to Lita. At least my baby will live." So now that great king understood that who is real mother. Real mother never allow to others to cut his baby. Now Vikram, the great King Vikram, understood that So this baby belongs to Sita. The king Vikram ordered to his officers, give this baby to Sita, because Sita is real his mother. And now the King Vikram ordered to his officers, punish her. He punished to that Lita, and told to his officers that send her in the prison. So, my dear friends, in this story, what did we learn? So, there are many great kings. They use their mind and they have the wisdom. So, wisdom means use your brain and see your friend. See your friend. It means do good, be justified, and don't harm anybody. Thank you very much. And if you want, please comment it and please remember me in your dua.